Hey guys, what's up? Danny here with Let 'Em Fly Bowfishing. When Josh and I started doing this a few months back, it took a little work, missed a lot of shots obviously. Takes a little getting used to the heavier arrows, shooting without sights, just on instinct, and then obviously dealing with the water refraction takes a little work. Like I've always read online, you aim low, aim lower. When you think you got it, you aim a little lower. But with a little practice and a little bit of luck, you can end up with some pretty epic shots. Check these out. Oh yeah. I'm not shooting them. It's too small.
That does not.
Oh my good. Are you serious?
Oh yeah.
Away from the turn.
Holy cow. Back up. Nice. 3, 2. Oh yeah, you got him. He's dead. Nice.
How's that, Josh? Dang, I should have had a gig out. Oh my goodness. How about that for a shot, dude?
Oh, that is a massive catfish.
Are you serious?